Hello friends, welcome back. So in this series, we are discussing about the common Java programs that are being asked during the interviews time. So we have discussed around 4 to 5 problems in this series till now. In the current video, which we are going to discuss about another problem based on Java that have started being asked from 15 to 15 days to around 20 days. That is a new problem which interviewer are starting asking to people. Okay, so this is related to integer array. So interviewer ask the interviewee to tell like arrange the integers so that their sum is equal to some, for example, some x. Okay, so that is a new problem. Logic is not so much new, but that is a trick. Okay, so that makes interviewer confused. So let's jump into the problem. Let's create a class. Naming this class as pairing integers. Okay, generating the automatic method. So just understand the problem first. Okay, what is the problem? So, for example, interviewer has given you an integer array. Okay, like he has given you 1, 8, 9, 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, guys. So 7 as well. Okay, so interviewer has given you this set of integer array, and now he asked you to arrange these integer either in a list or a map. So in this video, we can have an example of a list. Okay, so he wants you to arrange this as, um, for example, he is asking you to arrange these integers so that the sum of two integer is 5. Okay, so starting from 0, then 0 comma 5. So sum of these two integer is 5. Okay, and coming to another pair like 1 comma 4. So sum of these two integers is 5 as well, and 2 comma 3. Okay, so sum of these two integers is 5 as well. Okay, so means this is the logic he wants you to implement, like 3 comma, sorry, 3 comma 2. Okay, so in this manner he wants you to arrange the integers in pairs so that the two integers lies besides them other integer, which makes the sum equal to 5, or whatever sum he wants you to create. So we are taking the sum also as a variable, so let's call it as a mean just like average. Okay, so just passing out the value of mean over here, so that makes our program productive or not hard coded somewhere. So yeah, and equals to mean as well. So let's create a method. Okay. Mm, so this name is pairing some integers. Okay. So now it will take the input as array. Okay. Input array. Okay. I'm just reconsidering its name. Input array, comma, the mean. Okay. So let's just get the suggestions from here. Get a static method. Okay. It's taking the argument as array integer to which we have the input. Okay, we need to arrange the elements of this array and the mean. For example, array mean, we need it as 5. Okay, we want those integers arranged besides each other, which makes their sum is 5. Okay, so let us create a list first of all. List of integer. Okay, just name it as temp also array list. Array list of integer type. Okay, it's importing from the java.util package. Okay, so just make sure like you are importing the correct package over here, that is java.util for list. Okay, now new keyword. Okay, so importing the correct list as well from the java.util package. Now we are going to use for loop, actually two for loops over here. Okay, so starting with like for, okay, that will get the first integer and iterate the other 9 integers with it, then coming to second integer and iterate the next 7 or 8 integers. Okay, in this manner we are going to create two for loops. Let it get iterator first. Iterator I equals to starting from 0, as arrays index started with 0 and I is less than, just name it as mm, input array. Okay, that we are getting as a parameter dot length. Okay, till length we are marking it as less than, so we don't need to put the -1 over there. Okay, so I, coming to the next for loop, again introduce another iterator, that is int j, that will be starting from I. Okay, and it will go till same input array dot length. Okay, then j. Okay, so we have completed the two for loops here. Now putting down the condition, if the value of character at ith index plus value of character jth index equal to mean, whatever mean we are passing. Okay, in this scenario it is 5. If that is equal to 5, then we have a list guys here, that is temp list. So temp list dot add which integer we want to add. We will add input array at ith index. Okay, plus the next uh, position we will add at index j. Okay, and in the last, okay, I'm selecting it for refactoring the code. Okay, so control shift and F to refactor the lines. Okay, now marking down the return statement after the completion of for loop. So what we will get in return guys, we will get the temp list at the last, which will be coming out. So changing out the return type of, currently this auto-generated method. Okay, so the return type we have marked it as a void, so we will change it to list of integer guys. Okay, so this is how we will fetch the values and place the values which are making sum equal to 5 besides each other. Okay, so how we will be knowing, like so we will print the output is in the console. Okay. So okay. So let's run this program, guys. Let's see if we have made it correct or not. Okay. So we have pairs over here. 4, 1 and 4. That makes sum equal to 5. 3, 2. That makes sum 5. 5, comma 0. That makes sum equal to 5. Apart from that, I don't think like any other pair makes the sum equal to 5. Okay. Now let's change the mean to, for example, 3. Okay. Sum equal to 3. Let's check if this code is working fine. Yeah. One in the same approach, you can also, put these values inside a map, okay, as a key and value pair. Okay, so let's see that as well. Introduce a map over here. Map that is having a key as integer, comma integer. Okay. Map equals to hash map. Again, key values pair as integer, comma integer. Just import from the Java util packages. Yeah. Okay. Now where we are adding this, we can make another line like map dot put method is there. Okay. So both the arguments are of integer type. So similar phase you can use like add key, adding values, corresponding value, a semicolon over here, and let's print the map here only after this for loop before the return statement. If we place that statement after return, so it won't getting print. So yes, so run this program. Yeah, similar output. 1, 2, 3. It's giving you equal to sign just to make sure like it is in the key and value pair. That's why. But we have got these factors. Okay. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I will push my code into my Git repository. I will surely put its URL within the description of this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.